Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about Woodprofits. We, from Daac Reviews, have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before purchasing Click Designs. We also have some really important alerts that I'll discuss throughout the video, so pay close attention to avoid making mistakes when using or making the purchase. The first thing you need to know about Woodprofits is be cautious about the website where you're buying it, because Woodprofits is only sold on the official website. To assist you, I have left the link to the official site below in the video description. So, what is Woodprofits and does it really work? The answer is yes. Woodprofits works and brings excellent results. Learn to start quickly and operate successfully with your home woodworking business. Whatever your aspirations, whether it's simply selling your own home projects from home or establishing a profitable woodworking business all year round, Woodprofits is perfect for those who want to start their own business or are tired of paying high prices for projects that they could easily do in their backyard with a little dedication. So yes, you can trust this product, as many people have had great results with Woodprofits, including numerous testimonials from customers on the official website. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying. You can actually test Click Designs for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you're not satisfied for any other reason, they'll refund your money. So feel confident to use Click Designs, but make sure you're buying from the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. So, I decided to record this video to warn you to be careful with the website where you're buying Click Designs. Remember that the official website of the product is linked in the description. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel and leave your like. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.